Let's go with Ali, shall we, Melissa? Because I've got a good story in search mode. One that made me do a double take on Twitter. Apparently, get this, selfies are more deadly than, wait for it, dun, 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 dun. Yes, shark attacks. Senior producer Clark Goldman, who's mildly distracted right now. Clark, that's dangerous what you're doing right now.
I don't know why people say this is distracting.
What's going on here?
This segment came up quickly. Okay.
Selfies more dangerous than shark attacks?
You heard right, Ali. You know what? You are 50% more likely to die while using a selfie stick, one of these guys, than being killed by a shark. And these sticks don't even have teeth. Mashable ran the numbers, and so far this year, there are 8 shark attacks. But get this, 12 selfie stick fatalities. Yikes.
Okay, so I don't understand. Is it because people get so annoyed that they'll kill you for using a selfie stick, or are you actually dying?
May come as we see more. Have you ever, you go these places, you gotta smack them out of the way. They're everywhere.
How are people dying using selfie sticks?
Okay, so they more often occur to tourists or those trying to take pictures of transportation. Selfie stick safety is becoming such a problem that it seems like every week we're seeing a new landmark or event that bans them. For example, the happiest place on earth, Disney World, has asked their patrons to leave the selfie sticks at home. And that's not all. Comic-Con, wear whatever costume you'd like. Just don't bring the selfie stick. And just a few days ago, even at the red carpet at the Emmy Awards, they've banned the sticks. Check out this tweet by writer Frank Rich. He claims this is the end of a very brief era. You see the picture right there. No selfie sticks. But here's the thing, Ali. It's actually a global problem. The Japanese train system has banned the sticks from 2,000 rail stations. Yeah, and it's understandable why. High-speed trains and distractions don't mix. No, for sure. But it doesn't stop there. Also in Russia. Look at these warnings. You've got to see it to believe it, that have just been issued by Russian police. So just in case you're wondering, they've passed out these brochures. No. Train selfies, gun selfies, boating selfies, electrical wire selfies, or animal selfies.
Are you kidding me?
You may just want to try to take a selfie the old-fashioned way by hand.
Or just asking someone to take the picture for you. I don't understand the obsession with this and the fact that they have had to go to the trouble to create signage as though it's not self-evident that you shouldn't lean out of the back of a speeding boat or into a train track with a selfie stick. Are you kidding me, Russians? Come on.
Or climb an electrical tower. Apparently, don't hang off with one arm and snap a selfie.
Is it safe to take a selfie while you're on a television set?
I think so. Let's try it.
Let's get in there. Let's get in. Come and get in it then.
Wait, can I get in it?
Hurry up. Come on. We're doing a selfie on the show. Hey, would you believe I've never done this before?
Okay, let's try to use the stick.
I've literally never done this before.
Okay.
Ready? Oh, we just did a selfie. You did multiple selfies. All right, slow down. I'm going to start charging you for that.
That's not dangerous.